from Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai, in mechanical stream with a percentage of 87, and I have joined JSpiders 3 months back. I have got placed in lab Iconics and Technologies with package of 3 LPA, and this is a very good platform to learn any course, and you get more opportunities. Even in this tough period, they will provide more opportunities so that you can get into IT sector. And all the trainers, counselors and HRs are very much supportive, whom you can approach them, whatever the issue is, you can approach them and they will solve it. So guys, thank you.